Master the dashes. Deciphering the end dash and hyphen in compound words. Hello learners, and welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today we're going to delve into a topic that's frequently confusing, yet fascinating: the use of end dashes and hyphens in compound words. Yes, these small dashes do make a difference, and by the end of this video, you'll be confident in distinguishing and using them correctly. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what end dashes and hyphens are. A hyphen is the shortest dash, typically used to connect compound words and to split words at the end of a line. The end dash, on the other hand, is slightly longer and is often used to show ranges or to connect related items. Now, let's dive into the heart of our discussion, using end dashes and hyphens in compound words. Generally, we use hyphens in compound words, like well-being, self-esteem, and long-term. They're handy tools for stringing two or more words together to form a compound concept. However, the end dash takes the stage when we're dealing with compound phrases where one or more components consist of two words or more, or when the compound elements are open compounds, or when they are already hyphenated compounds. For example, pre-World War II period, or New York-London flight. Let's understand this through some examples. 1. Hyphen. We use a hyphen in mother-in-law because it's a simple compound word. 2. End dash. We use an end dash in pre-World War II because World War II is an open compound. Remember, these rules aren't universal, and different style guides may suggest different usage. However, this is the most commonly accepted practice. And that brings us to the end of this video on deciphering the use of end dashes and hyphens in compound words. I hope this explanation clarifies the differences and helps you use these punctuation marks more confidently in your writing. Remember, mastering these details can make your writing clearer and more professional. So, keep practicing, and happy writing!